Easy English practice.
Good evening. Can I get you started with some drinks?
Sure, I'll have a lemonade.
I'll go with an iced tea, please.
Great. Any appetizers to start with?
How about the garlic bread?
That sounds good. Let's get that.
Excellent choice. And for the main course?
I'm thinking about the spaghetti. Is it good?
It's one of our most popular dishes. You won't be disappointed.
Perfect. I'll have that.
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables. Can I get extra sauce on the side?
Absolutely. Anything else for you?
I think we're good for now.
All right. I'll get your order started. Enjoy your drinks, and the food will be out soon.
Thank you. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.